Hello and welcome to Hops and Bros. This week,
Because we have Hangover Max, we got Super Nathan instead.
I'll still be here.
Well, he's still here.
And we celebrate the 100th review of Hops and Bros.
Woo! Do we still have those?
I don't know.
I feel like we.
For an open window on the crowded world, Max and Chris from Hops and Brew. Hops and Brew. Welcome to Hops and Bros. Yeah.
So, Nathan brought us some awesome beers today. An awesome concept as well. Basically, the same beer brewed by two different breweries, but two different breweries within a couple kilometers. Like, they're not very far. They should, technically on paper, be competitors, or at least be in a heavy competition, but they still put time to collaborate.
Friends. Or not friends.
Or not,
So what it is, Nathan?
What is it?
So-
What is it?
What is it? What is it?
So what we've
Or what are they? Because there's two.
what it is and what
Grammar with Max.
and what is it is okay. So this is Friendly Confines, which is a stout that was brewed in collaboration between Left Field Brewery and Bellwoods. Two of probably the highest regarded breweries in Toronto and even in Ontario, I would
the
say.
GTA, the Greater Toronto area.
And look at that. So the specificities of the beers that makes them a little bit different.
Specificity.
Yeah.
I know my English is getting better with the beers we're drinking.
Yeah. The double IPA we had before this might have been one too many.
Uh-oh.
We're good.
All right, please.
Thank you. All right. So yes. So stouts are brewed. These stouts are brewed with coffee, cocoa, and coconut.
Nice.
The difference is so a batch was brewed at each brewery, but they used different coffee roasters at each one.
So the rest technically same recipe, same grain bill, same ratio of coconut, cocoa nibs, and coffee. The only difference is the roaster.
Exactly.
Nice.
So Left Field used Pilot coffee roasters, which I know is the one that they also use for their coffee porter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And Bellwoods uses Propeller coffee.
Okay, perfect. Two like really famous coffee roasters, I guess, in the Toronto area. I don't know a lot of coffee roasters out there. That's why.
Yeah, I've heard good things about both of them. Craig speaks pretty highly about them. Oh, and I should mention actually, because one of these came to me thanks to Craig. The Bellwoods one I got from Craig from a beer trade that we did a couple months ago.
Damn. Okay.
And I'll give a shout to Ryan, the R from R&D Beer, because he got me the Left Field one.
Oh
Nice.
yeah. Oh yeah. We forgot to tell you that. Yeah.
R&D Beer.
Nathan is from R&D
Wait
Beer.
a second. You guys, R&D Beer, that's also your initials?
It is also our initials, yes.
You knew about that.
Well, I think I knew, but it just clicked. That's awesome.
I think he says it in the episode.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
You said I think the first time he came on the show, but I just kind of remembered.
So if you haven't seen that, go back to about a year ago and watch the
Yes.
watch the Bellwoods Milk Shark episode for further explanation.
So not only is this our 100th review, but it's also almost a year ago that we did a review with you.
That's
First
right.
review with Nathan.
That's right.
And Nathan's first video review.
Yeah, that's true.
It was kind of like a mix of everything. So
And we took your virginity.
That's right.
We popped your cherry.
in the Milk Shark threesome, that's the name of the episode. Yeah.
Yeah. The word threesome was used a lot in that episode.
Oh damn, there's a lot of memories going
it's
through my
cold at
mind.
night.
Damn. All right, so different coffee roasters, same beer. One's clocking in at 7.2%, which is the one from Left Field Brewery, which is I think the one we'll start off with first. So it poured nice, dark. Not too
It's
thick.
lighter. The head is a lot lighter than the
lighter
Bellwoods.
and
You
paler
can see
in
like
color, too.
Yeah, you can see like a big difference when you put them next to each other.
Can we shake him up and show them on the camera?
We can probably shake him up.
I think we can
Shake.
Okay, can we see the difference?
Booty.
A little bit, I
Shake
think, the
your
difference between.
booty.
Yeah, Nathan's shake is a lot better.
Shake.
There we go.
Oh, that's
Yeah, look
looking
at that.
great.
Look
Yeah,
at
yeah,
that.
looking great. All right.
Shake your booty.
So, for my first impression, when I drank the Left Field, I get a little bit more sweetness out of it, and it's a little bit lighter on the flavor side, less roasty, a little bit more sweeter, and I do get a little bit of black licorice out of it. What do you
Maybe
guys
a little
think about this
aftertaste
one?
of
Yeah,
black licorice, not much.
on the aftertaste.
I'd say there was some bitterness, some roastiness to it, more than the Bellwoods, or at least we're gonna get to that later.
Yeah, and maybe a bit more creaminess from this one as well, I think.
Definitely.
Perfect. Then the second one. That's the first time we're reviewing
And the
two
Bellwoods
beers
is a
on the
little
show
bit.
back
No,
to back.
we've done that before. Not the first time.
Yeah, you sure? Like it's
pretty
the same
sure.
beer 2 times.
Not the same beer. The concept in general of this, where they brewed the exact same beer, changed one ingredient,
Yep.
and they're both breweries from generally the greater
Same
Toronto
area,
area. I think it's great.
Yeah.
I want to see more of these. I want to see more collaborations between breweries to show that we're all in it together against the big guys.
Yeah.
We're not fighting amongst each other.
And collaborations in general are cool, but it's but it's also one step further because most collaborations are done at one brewery.
Yeah.
Like collab with giving credit to the other one.
Yeah.
But this one was actually brewed a batch at both. So
Yeah.
so that both of them get to serve it, which I think is really cool.
That's pretty cool. I guess the only time that I've seen this concept talked about is between like breweries from Ontario and Quebec, because then you get to have the exact same beer on both sides,
Right,
which I
right.
think is also a great idea. We'd like to see more of those until the wall kind of falls eventually.
Yeah, let's make that wall fall. Yeah.
Or until
break in
then,
the wall.
just collaborate with breweries from each
Yeah,
side.
just keep collaborating.
Because
It's
the more
just fun.
collaborations we'll have, the more diversity we'll have from both
But
sides
it's
of
also
the
a
river.
collab with coffee roasters. If you
And
think
also
about
coffee
it.
roasters, that's
This
true.
is
It's
great.
a-
So
it's a
that's
foursome.
4 businesses.
Oh, that's true.
So
That's
it's
a
a
next level
foursome.
collab. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
a
like it's
foursome
almost
collab.
a gangbang.
Damn, we'll have to call this one the gangbang
The gangbang
episode.
episode. Yeah.
All right.
Well, technically,
yeah.
wait, it was
Look, I know you want more
2,
subscribers,
3,
but I don't know
4,
that that's the way to go about
5,
it.
6.
Hey, it's working so far. All right, okay, perfect. We'll put some boobs in the thumbnail, and we should get some
It's
good
a
views.
gangbang,
Yeah.
Gotta
Oh
do what
boy.
you gotta do.
So the Bellwoods one. What's your feeling about it so far?
Well, why don't we take another sip?
Yeah, and while I explain it, it poured like with a nice, more brown color.
Yeah,
a
more
little
of a
bit
like
thicker.
caramel color, I find.
It feels a little bit thicker.
Yeah, it did
Uh,
pour a bit more syrupy, I think.
Yeah.
A bit more syrupy. That's the words I was looking for.
Yeah, but I find it's a little more watery than the other one. It might be the exact same thing, but it's not quite as creamy. I find, anyways.
I get more roundness on this one, on the mouthfeel, but a lot more bitterness. And up front, after a
You have
couple
more
of sips,
bitterness from this one.
yeah, I'm getting more bitterness out of this one. And up front, I do get a little bit of red fruits. I'm not
Grapefruits,
sure.
really?
Red fruits.
See, I-
Oh, red fruits, okay.
Like
Don't
raspberries, cherries, a little bit.
I really find the other one's more bitter than this guy.
For
this
real?
guy I find a lot smoother.
I get a lot more bitterness on this one.
Yeah,
That's
I
cool.
I taste more like roasty coffee in this one
Yeah.
than I do in the other.
Yeah. More roastiness, more bitterness, a little bit more sweeter from the left field one. That so
Yeah.
far that's my intake,
okay.
but I do like
I
this
see how it
one, but I think I can smash like a full glass of this one. This one's a slow sipper, easy drinker. That's my thought on this one.
And that's even the higher alcohol one too.
I know. This is a weird part out of it. Max, what's your intake on this one? Do we have a winner? Should we?
No,
announce
there's
a winner?
no
There's a
winners.
winner,
I mean,
right?
it's the same beer, one way or the other. I mean, there's
Yeah.
subtle differences for sure. Which one would I take more than the other? I think I'd probably go for the left field one, just because I'm usually more on the sweet guy side. But yeah.
It's both great beers. I'm pretty sure they are not available anymore.
Not that I'm aware of.
Not that you're aware of.
We've been trying to put this video together for since about mid-December, I think.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure they're gone from both of them at this
This was
point.
supposed to be a Christmas episode.
If they're not, then definitely try to get your hands on it. Or just go to those breweries. You have a chance. Bellwoods is always a good time.
Yeah.
And left field as well. They have some great stuff out there.
Yeah, even if these aren't there anymore, you really can't go wrong.
No, exactly. And let us know in the comments
Yeah.
below what you think of collaborations in
Exactly.
general and collaborations between people that are closer, breweries that should not collaborate, that you think should have walls, or anyways, the general population might think that they shouldn't collaborate because it might be negative.
Yeah.
But that you would like to see
I just
collaborate.
got more like a coconut finish on this one. I don't know.
And that's the Bellwoods one.
Yeah.
Huh.
Sorry if
that's
I'm
fine.
interrupting. It's just keep drinking the beers when you do the review, because you just find yourself
lot
finding
more,
other flavors into
flavors,
it, and I think they're warming up too at the same time.
Yeah.
So
that could
if you
explain it.
warmed the whole thing, you were warmed up for the whole video, then that means you need to subscribe to the video, because like Nathan said, we're trying to get more subscribers so YouTube won't forget about us.
And at the same time, go check out R&D
Beer Blast.
Beer Blast.
Oh, thanks, guys.
What's
On-
on Instagram?
Yeah, Twitter.
Twitter, Instagram.
Yep.
Where else?
That's about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I heard you were on MySpace too. Right? No?
Were you? Does it still exist? Is it still a thing? MySpace?
I don't think so.
I used to have a MySpace like back in the day, but that's a while ago.
All right.
Yeah, that was at the same time that I used to have MSN Messenger.
Oh,
Okay, damn. All right.
Oh yeah, MSN
That's
Messenger.
a gangbang memory
yeah.
episode right now.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
We gangbang the shit out of our memories. Yeah,
Cheers, guys.
Ooh, is it getting warm in here?
Yeah.
yes it is.
Okay.
Oh, yes, it is. Cheers.
Cheers.
See you in the next video, guys. Definitely getting warmer. I don't know if it's the gangbang thing, but it's literally getting warmer.
I think I'll,
Max is tripping up.